How to add YouTube link on Instagram post. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube link on Instagram post. First, launch the YouTube app on your phone. Next, go to the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap View Channel to view channel. Now hit the pen icon to edit the account info. In the channel settings, you will see the channel URL and then copy the link. Next, go to the Instagram app on your phone. Here, go to the Profile tab at the bottom and tap the plus icon. After that, select the Post option and choose any media that you want to post. Then hit the Next button and you will see a space to add a caption. In the caption, you can paste the copied link here. In the end, tap on Share and your post will have a Facebook link in the caption. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.